J's. There's 2J's everywhere. Two J's everywhere. Everybody. It's like, yo. People still have 7Ms. Alright, that's the thing. Right now. Getting some motivation. And we have finally got some leakage. It is the bloody thing is not tight. Oh, man. That's annoying. Okay, gentlemen. Here is brake fluid. This brake fluid is coming from here somewhere. Let's see. It's like ½ inch. Is this thing tight? No. Oh, there goes the problem. It wasn't tight. This is the reason why we have to pull the entire engine back out, because this was leaking. This is it. Unfortunately, this is a wonderful way of wasting my brake fluid, but I have no other way of checking if this thing is leaking still. I don't even know if this will work. So fluid's coming through here, and and it's not pissing everywhere. So that's a good sign. And just like that, you get to see, just for sake of argument, so we just have fluid in the line that don't want to do anything. Why is there so much? Well, this dirty ass line might be the reason of that. All right.
Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. What we're looking at is, yes, the transmission is back in the car. However, there is a billion things to put back. So, let me kind of highlight what was done in the midst of all of that we didn't really get into. You see, the transmission itself, let me make sure this thing isn't trying to fall out of my hand. This hole that I had here for the service outlets for the line itself weren't really very deep. Shoot, they're not very deep now, but at this angle I could possibly get like a small crow's foot or a wrench if I finagle it enough to get the line off. Not so much with the bleeder screw that's going on there, but yeah, we put it back in here and we're just trying to ensure, like you saw the test. In the event this bad boy leaks, it's gonna be in here for a while because I'm not taking it out again. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. It's gonna be here for a minute. I'm going on them long hiatus. I experimented with wrapping this because I figure, all right, let's see what it's like to do the easy thing first and see. The easy thing was annoying, so that should just tell you all you need to know. The easy thing was annoying, so I'm assuming the hard part is gonna be a little bit more strenuous. But yeah, this was a different type of video. I just showed you exactly what the major on-taking was and essentially what we were required to do. All of this was required to be pulled off. The exhaust side, the intake side, to pull it all out or drop it all out cleanly and not damage anything. And essentially I'm putting it all back in. So yeah, that is what's going on. So hopefully the next video I can show you is the vehicle moving under its own accord. And yeah, like this wonderful ground strap here. Look at this ground strap. Another ground. This. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. Trying to keep it semi-short and sweet. The next one is going to be, yeah, me trying to move the car. We'll see how that goes. So, thanks again, gentlemen. More to come.